we go to the mountains, away from the stress. Bye-bye. So nice, it makes me happy. This is such a beautiful area, and I'm just gonna enjoy 2, 3, 4 days. I don't know how long yet, but it is so nice. I'm so happy about this. Something about the beautiful nature, being a part of it and just being in it and with it makes me feel so sentimental. It makes me feel happy and sad and grateful, and I don't know, it makes you feel like you're existing 100%. There's no place for all the stressful have-to-dos in the city. It's just you, it's the nature, it's the air, it's the wind, it's the earth, it's the old rocks beneath you. And it welcomes you. It welcomes you like you're a part of it, and you're supposed to be a part of it. You've always been a part of it. And that just makes me feel so grateful and at peace and sentimental and happy and everything at the same time. And I want to share some of these moments with you. So here we go.